What's up guys? Welcome back to Born Again Naturals, and today we have another exciting video planned. So today we will be talking about our rose clay mask. So if you're a person who likes rose oil, rose clay, or you just love the scent of rose in general, then this will be a treat for you. Now, clay masks have been used for centuries because of their endless benefits, namely removing blackheads, whiteheads, detoxifying the skin, removing excess oils, lightening up dark marks, and the list goes on. Another fun fact about rose clay is that anybody can use it. So whether you have dry skin, combination skin, oily skin, this will work perfect for you. With all that being said, let's get into it.
Now first up, we're going to be using some rose clay, and next to that is our oatmeal powder. Lastly, we'll be using some Goatsmilk Powder. Now we're just going to begin by combining all three of these powders together. First goes in the oatmeal, and then we can dump in that Goatsmilk Powder. Then you want to stir all three of these ingredients together evenly. Okay, so we're just going to pour in some aloe vera juice, and that is our liquid of choice. And you want to mix that in as well to get a mustardy, yogurty consistency. Now once you're done doing that, you can begin to add in some essential oils for scent. This is lavender essential oil, and we're going to be putting in at least 2 drops. Following that, we'll be putting in some rose essential oil, and you also want to put 2 drops of this. It smells so good. You will literally feel like roses are on your face. So we drop that in, and we just want to mix those last few ingredients together as well. And there you have it, your very own rose clay mask.
Alright, so our rose clay mask is made already, and it is so pretty. I love this color. This is my favorite color. So let's get right into the application. So I have my brush, and I mean, you can use your hands if you want to, but this is just easier for me so it's not too messy. Then let's start applying. Okay, so now we just have to wait for it to dry. Okay guys, so I am back, and I have to say, aside from the fact that I absolutely love the color and the scent of this mask, it really gets the job done. I mean, my face feels so smooth and soft. All the excess oils have been removed, and my face feels good. So I definitely will be trying this again. And if you're interested in trying it, please check the description box for the full recipe.